Hi there. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to use the Everyday Swapping program. You'll be using this sheet up on the district overview, and then at the tab at the bottom it'll say Everyday. So follow along with what I'm doing here because I have it set up specifically to make it very easy. Take a quick look at the swapping worksheet. Have what district they're in. You have who the person is, and that's a link to their profile on ASOP. You have whether they're a para aide or a teacher. Have phone number for easy access, and then these are the main columns you'll be using. This first block at home school. If they're at their home school, you just simply put an X in it, and when you're done, it's going to turn green to show you that you finished it. If they are not at their home school and they have to get moved somewhere, you're going to type in what that homeschool name is, hit enter, and then that'll make it green. And if they are at a different school, then this next column here, the swap dollar incentive, you're going to put a 5 in there for the fact that you had to swap them, and they're getting a $5 extra for it. Then the last column, which is the non-workday right here, if when you go through it, if of course they're not working that day because they have a non-workday end where you have to schedule one for them, just put an X there. If you need to put any more text in there, like say there's like the district is closed for in-service, you can do that as well. Type it in and then it will turn red. So that's quite simple. So let me just get started. I don't know if you'll be able to do this on Windows or not. This is a Mac computer, so I'm just going to split my screen. It makes it easier for me in the morning. And I'll do the first couple with you real quick, and then you'll be good to go. As I said here, I have the ASOP already opened up. Now what I'm going to do, like I said, to make this easier, if you look over here, we got Brick Township for the first, like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them right here. Well, I have these links set up very easily so that it will automatically display in ASOP. However, the one key thing is that when you're in ASOP, you have to first open up the door for, say, Brick Township. And when you open it up, now that it's open on the right here, now you can go over and you can actually just click the link for them, and it'll bring them right to their report for the day as to what their schedule, if they're working or not. And then you can just go to the next one, click it, and it's going to automatically open up a separate tab over here. So as you can see, this first one is for Beverly, and then the second tab automatically opens for Joan. These two here we're not going to open because both of them are in jobs already currently. Lorraine is in a job until 5/18, and Robin Antonelli, she's in a job until 5/24, so we can skip that. So then the next one I would go to is the last one for Brick would be Saida Jones. Click her, and it opens up a separate tab in ASOP. So now all I have to do is go back to the first one, Beverly. As you can see, Beverly Stellenbach right here. And I'm going to take a quick look. Today is the 18th, right? Yeah, today's the 18th. So I take a quick look. All right, Beverly, 5/18. She's at Drum Point Road School. So then I come right back over here to the swap sheet, and I look and I go right here. Here's her home building right here. Right. All right. Beverly's homeschool is Drum Point, so that's a simple one. I just go over to the homeschool tab and I put an X. Boom, she's done. And if you get confused as to which one's which, I have some labels right up top here, above the homeschool. So now I can come back to ASOP. I can close down Beverly's tab, and it automatically goes to the next one, which is Joan. And again, I look to see, all right, 18th, is Joan in a position? May 18th, she's in Veterans Memorial Middle School. Come back to the sheet. And I go, okay, Joan Arnett, her homeschool is Brick Township, so she is not in the right homeschool. Therefore, I will put her, she's not going to get an X for homeschool. She will get it listed here, which is Veterans Memorial Middle School. Now she's done. If they're not working currently at their homeschool and they don't have a scheduled work day off, or if they haven't switched, then what I do is I just use a C and it colors it yellow, so that way as I'm going through I remember to come back and give them a call to put them into a school. So take a quick look at Saida Jones, Brick Township. Today's the 18th. She is working in Lanes Mill School. Her home school is Lanes Mill Elementary School, therefore she just gets an X. Enter. And that's pretty much it. Then once you're done going through the sheet and you have everyone working and everything, wait till about maybe sometime after 9 o'clock in the morning to make sure that everything is working out fine. And up top here, you'll see the link for the everyday payroll adjustment form. You just click that, it'll open up in a tab in your browser, and here's the form. And you just got to put, this is used for anybody that had to switch schools in the district that day. So you just got to put, if we're looking at Joan Arnett or Arendt, obviously just put her last name in, Arendt, first name Joan, what district she's in, which is right to the left of her here, Brick Township, and then the new school location. So she would have been Veterans Memorial Middle School. The adjustment is $5, and 1 through 5 is something that has to be filled out, it's required, but number 6 does not. 6 basically was put in there in case there's some kind of adjustment that's more than the $5 switch that we have to do. And then we just put a little bit of notes explaining it. So that is about it.